Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. Long time no see, guys. Dugay-dugay na jud wa kahimog video. So karon, because it's already autumn, I have a table update. Kay bugna naman, so pwede na ipagawas ang other toys. Let's go! Oh, before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start here with the Diecast. Recently, I've been collecting Diecast mini cars. So, mani sila. This is the Johnny Lightning Christine box package. Sunod, Ghostbusters with the headquarters. And then Ghostbusters slime. Mora ni sila ang tulog ka box set nako. Let's move over here. More diecast. Starting from the upper shelf, these are the Tomica Premium Skyline set. So when I bought them, they only have 5 Nissan Skylines. Mani sila. Tupad, Kyosho Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Okay, ito ni sila pero ang nagabati sa Kyosho good kay the tires don't really turn as is rated. Only for model collecting. Okay, guys, going down to the second shelf. Matchbox Real Riders. Kani akong napalit sa Akihabara. Mandarakim tingali. Only for 100 yen. Can you believe that? 50 pesos. Kani siya, oh. Oh, good. And sunod, Ghostbusters na Hot Wheels set with the motorcycle. Then here, kay Batmobile na Real Riders. Kani silang duha kay Tomica Initial D. I got these two way back from 2013. Oh. Gaya na 2013. So 7 years ago, about 7 years ago. Going down to the bottom shelf, we got the Real Riders. Mani silang Real Riders. Except for this Batmobile. 100 yen na bihan siya akong palit. Japan exclusive na siya, free sa coffee mo tingali ito. Anyway, 100 yen. Not bad. And akong jack-o'-lantern kay Halloween man. My tools. Let's go up. Up. Uy, into me. Okay. High school girl. Next. Mini GT collection. Sila. Okay. Sunod. Hot Toys Cause Babies. There. Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman. The DC Trinity. Below that, kaya sila kay mga Japan exclusive na mini Batmobile. 100 yen each gihapon. This little guy from Transformers, this is Tomica, got this for 10 yen. 5 pesos. Only 10 yen. Mga loose na Hot Wheels, and then Kyushu. Kung ano siya exclusive sa Family Mart. Family Mart exclusive. Next, Hot Wheels Batmobile. This one I really like. Very nice packaging. Above kay Hot Hot Wheels, Hot Toys. Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels. Hot Toys. Na Iron Man Mark 4. To be or not to be, that is the question. Zaku Head. King Mickey. This one unopened. Next. Osaka idol sa kong Migo. Oh, shout out to my friend in Sapporo, Ken or Kent. But akong tawag niya kay Ken. Oh, imong ganahan, Deadpool. Kumusta diha sa Sapporo? Okay. Sunod, what started my collection here in Japan, the Gundam Converge. Para daghan makita. The SRP price of the Gundam Converge is 550 yen ang each ani. Well, mostly 550. Ang exclusive kay mas mahal. Dara sila mga Gundam Converge. Back to the Future 2 hoverboard. Together with that set na. Okay, closer look. Pitbull. Ambot sa ni Techno board. I don't know what that. Lightning board. And Japanese board. Look, kuya want ani. Okay, nabiya to'y sa to, cancel Korea or something. Racist. Rising flags in Japan. But for me, nothing. Actually, I like the design. Okay, so muna ang Gundam Converge. Let's go up. Real Riders na Hot Wheels. Kani, karon bago. Karon na ako napalit. I have to say, ang Mattel kay ning improve siya sa detail. No? Real Riders improve. Ang gani siya, nagani plate number. Ito yung nasi. Ay plate number. So, mas nindot yung details. There. Ang gani sa daw. Wait. Cuba. Nice what Cuba. Can you guys see it? Cuba, but not Cuba. I don't know. I thought Cuba. Okay, and ang original na Fast and Furious. Next is the Transport. 1.5 yen man ang palit na ko each ani. And then here, let's have widescreen. The Wall. I would say The Wall. Okay, Hot Wheels na movie cars. Batwing. Di maklaro kay Black. Ang kani siya maning Justice League Batmobile. Maning siya akong gi-loose ang usa. Let's check ha. Nindot sa details ha. So, yung tires, yung rubber na groove. Okay, going back. Anita sa TV series Batmobile. Camouflage version, Tumblr, o not movie. Then, my Johnny Lightning. Most of my Johnny Lightning are white lightnings. There. With white rims. Fun fact, the white lightning rarity is only 2%. So, example, ang release, 2,400. Minus pa dyan. So, only 2% of 2,400 are the white lightnings. So, if I'm not mistaken, maybe mga 48 tingali. Ako math is not good. Next, Mini GT balik. So, the loose mini GT kani kay ang Toys R Us exclusive or the Miho exclusive. And the chase car candy red. Candy blue. Tupad yung candy red. Ano? Closer look ta ha. NSX. Siyong. Kani usa ako sad gilus di ay. Wait ha. Going where? Asam to? Talan. Dara. Gilus. Honda Civic. Okay. Balik tangan Porsche. This one is also a chase car. Tanawa. Ang carbon fiber hood makes it a chase car plus the red rims. Only that. Kani sa day tanawa 23 and 23. Pero lahi iyang box. Tawa puti and then black. And this also Liberty Walk yellow. Carbon fiber hood for the Toys R Us exclusive. No. Hindi mo klaro ito. Check ba? Nara. Carbon fiber hood. Okay. Next here. These are LB Premium. 999 pieces in the world. With the acrylic case. Wapa dyan ninablihan. And ang kaning pink. Dalawa yung seats. Pink sad. There. Blue mufflers. Almost the same sa Mini GT na ako. Lamborghini sad. Okay. Next. Asam da. Gundam Master Grade. This one is a Japan exclusive. Ang box tora. So A. Mana. Ate kon closer look to be. Alright, kani sila kay mga helmet sa Monster Hunter. So Bisaya in Japan, Sanji. It's my other head! You found it! Okay. Ito yung Mitsubishi Eclipse from Greenlight. Money ang akong car sa una. Gihatag sa akong parents. Red lang to. 95 gapon na model. Tomika na McDonald's Japan exclusive. Go ta sa taas. Kung abot sa taas, sige. Ato i-zoom. Ano sa man Red Line Club exclusive. Ang green, Holiday Batman. And then the Ecto. Sunod kay Gone in 60 Seconds, si Eleanor. And my idol when I was in high school, Sarah Michelle Gellar, Buffy, Jenny Lightning. And, another Tigan. When I was elementary, the anime that I watched. The red, standard version, and the limited black exclusive. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video update on the working table. Bisaya in Japan. Bye-bye.